Hello, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to add quiz in YouTube video. So right here is the content of my channel. I just have to select the particular video that I want to add my quiz to. Click on the pencil icon. Click on the quiz option here. So right here, all you have to do is to click on add quiz. So right here, you just have to type in what you want your audience to answer. Like, do you like this video? So now you just type in the answer. Very much. Do more. You can type in more. You can type in, you can add more answers to your question if you want to, and just click on this save icon here in order to save it. So guys, that is it on how to add quiz in your YouTube video. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.